drowning. Yeah. It's a new way, it's your way. It's a new way, yeah. It's a new way, yeah, it's your way.
What is up? What's up, YouTube? That's how you want to do it. You ready? We want to practice. 3, 2, 1.
What's up?
YouTube? Don't do me.
What
is up, YouTube? It's your boy John
It's
Prince.
your girl Jelani.
And we are back with another YouTube video. And today we are doing, this ain't no big mukbang. This is a little mini mukbang.
So
We got some Chinese food.
My favorite.
What's your favorite?
Chinese food? Yeah.
Oh, I knew that too.
You did.
I did know that.
Yeah.
I did know
So yeah, today, what are we going to talk about today?
We're gonna talk about everything, but before we do that, make sure y'all subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share this, right?
Yeah.
And comment down below. This is something that somebody actually wanted to see us do, so that's why we're doing it. So whatever y'all comment down below, what y'all want to see us do, then that's what we're gonna do. You feel me?
I feel you.
You feel me?
Y'all feel him? So, okay, so what are we gonna do once we?
Why are you talking so loud? Damn, I'm
So
ready.
they can hear me. There's the crowd over there. So what are we gonna do when we finish, when we make it on YouTube?
What?
What we gonna do? Like, what are our plans? I'm sure they want to know. Do we
What?
plan on quitting our jobs and make this a full-time thing or what? I want to know too. What are we gonna do?
Well, if you're successful in YouTube, which we will be, then you can do this full time and make pretty good money doing it. So yeah, I'm gonna be quitting my job. You quitting yours?
Yeah, I mean, I'll be starting school. I start school in like 2 weeks, so I'll still be going to school. And if I gotta do it online, just to
What you going to school for?
information technology.
You gotta tell them what you going to school for. Hey,
Information technology.
hey, did they ever teach you like not to eat with your elbows on the table?
Yes, but
I can't do that. I got this is like my area right here.
Yeah,
Like,
see, I have
don't
no
want
room,
you-
as y'all can see. This is me.
I
From
don't
here to
want you-
over there is his.
I don't want to
I'm
do
like,
that
look.
right here. I can't, bro, I'm too big to sit there and eat like this. No, I got that. You know what I'm saying? Because then you might try to get some.
He's trying to protect his food. I don't want your food.
And have to damn it off.
So these are baby fried chicken. I mean, fried shrimp.
Anyway, back to the
It's alright.
full-time YouTube thing. We have to get 1,000 subscribers at 4,000 hours
What you got that?
of watch time.
Mm-hmm.
4,000 hours of watch time. And then we're able to do what?
Enable ads. Basically, open more doors. This is in YouTube. You can when you start off, there's some things are limited. You know what I'm saying? So you know how when you watch a video, all them ads be popping up. That's how people making their money. From what I know. So yeah, that's something you enable once you have those requirements that you'll need. And yeah.
That's why we always tell y'all to subscribe. Like this one crushed chicken right here. That's why we always tell y'all to subscribe to the channel and share so we can get our subscribers up so they can watch and we can get our 4,000 hours of watch time. It used to be 40,000 hours. I'm glad we started now because boy, 40,000 hours of watch time,
Yeah.
that's a lot. That is a lot.
Mhm. But yeah.
We're gonna have kids in the future too, y'all.
Yeah. Hopefully, I
We're
mean.
gonna have 20 kids. 10 and 10, yeah, we're gonna have 20. You cool with that?
Who gonna have 20?
We're gonna have 20.
Who gonna have 20?
If you have 20 kids, somebody bound to be rich. One of them motherfuckers bound to be rich. You feel me?
Yeah, the 20th one, we're gonna be old as shit.
No, we ain't gonna be old.
No, we having like one kid and then after a couple more years, another babe.
Well, I mean, we got Ghost.
Yeah, Ghost is enough.
If y'all wonder what Ghost is, Ghost is outside right now.
He sleeps somewhere.
Yeah,
He's getting bigger and heavier, and you know he's a bully. They don't listen. He's hard-headed.
So he is downgraded to outside / inside dog. We let him in when it's too hot outside, or you know.
The middle of the day. At nighttime, he goes back out.
Yeah, he gotta go, cause man, he boo boo, all that howl. Yeah, and you don't got time for that. You feel me?
Yeah.
I don't know what you eating, boy. I'm eating good.
Are you just hungry?
Nah. I'm eating. Y'all can see this chicken. I got them boneless spare ribs with the pork fried rice. You can't go wrong with it.
Got shrimp fried rice, baby shrimp. And then I'm eating these crab ragoon. Which he don't like.
I'm not eating that. What'd you say it was?
Crab ragoon.
I thought you said crab ragoon. I was gonna say what?
It's like sweet to me. I don't know. It's not good though.
You say so? No, my food better.
Oh, okay.
My food way better.
So, what would we do? Let's say.
But your ass is retarded.
What would we do?
What would we do?
Shut up.
Say do.
What would we do if we win? What would we do if we win the lottery? What kind of things would you buy?
Where they come from?
I'm just thinking.
But that shit was out the blue though, right? What's like me saying you? What would you do if you went and bought a cow? Like where did the cow come from?
The lottery, when you had like from the what's up now, the 88 million. What would you do with that 88 million? Well, I would do.
What would you do? Please let me know what you would do.
Pay off this house. We're gonna pay this house off. My car, his car. Then we're gonna move somewhere.
Well, we do that regardless.
Yeah, regardless. Gonna go somewhere. On the whole year vacation. Shit.
The whole vacation.
Everywhere.
We just bought a house and we already talking about moving somewhere.
I know, right?
Where we moving to?
I wanna move to Houston, Texas.
Where we wanna go?
Yeah.
If
not, then like somewhere.
As long as they clean shit, don't man. I ain't get on that, cause you about to get them.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Cause I wear them, then.
I got a good wife, y'all. My baby, she treat me good. You know what I'm saying? She always makes sure I'm fed. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. All that good stuff that a good housewife supposed to do.
Yeah.
Well, not supposed to do, but you know. Hey, baby.
What? Cut it again. Oh, not this one. What?
This chicken here.
Oh, what is this? Blueberry and lemon. Blueberry and lemonade.
Real. Like once again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have to tell them, man. We got goals we got to reach.
Yeah.
So I have to tell them, I have to let them know. You know what I'm saying?
In this video, we just wanted to chill. Let nobody pull pranks on nobody. It's a Sunday.
Hey, you gonna
Beautiful
start,
Sunday.
You gonna start pranking me the way you do too. Cause I don't do you like that.
Yes, you did. You did a birthday prank on me. Yeah, I mean, it was really like you was trying to leave me and become a rapper. So you saying that when you become famous, you're gonna leave me?
No, why would I leave you?
Cause that's what basically that video was about.
It
You
was
was
a
just mad
prank.
onions. Oh. Mad onions.
That was a prank, brother.
Okay, yeah, but still, you don't do that.
Do what? I might do nothing.
Leave me to be
Hey,
a
man.
rapper.
Let me tell y'all something. This water right here is the best water. Y'all ever had that propane water? This is the best water ever, bro. And you seen that drink that juice.
Shit, fucker.
Woo! Hey, don't get no better than this right here.
Right.
It don't get no better. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look though. I'm eating food.
I don't like this. It got mad onions.
How you know like
This
that?
shrimp is hard.
One piece of chicken.
I'm upset. Yeah.
There you go.
One thing about me, I don't like when I go order food, I spend money on some food and it's not cooked right, or they put too much of something that's not supposed to have a lot. Like this rice has more onions than rice.
Alright.
I'm the type, I'll go back to the store, give it back to them and and show them their stupid shit. Okay? Ridiculous.
John don't care if it's raining. If I go through a drive-through and I order something, just say I order a chicken sandwich, and
Too much mayo.
on the chicken sandwich I just want ketchup and mayo, but they put lettuce on there. I didn't want lettuce, but hey, I'm okay with that. Jelani, no, she is going back in the stove. Everybody got time for all this.
Hell no. I got time for that, because if I pay for it and it's not what it is, you gotta go tell them. You gotta correct them. Yeah.
No.
Then they gonna keep on doing it, fucking up. Don't nobody like a
I'm
messed
full,
up
man.
order.
I'm full. I can't eat no more.
I'm disappointed. That's what I am. We order from them a lot. Like,
I'm full.
I think by the time we drive all the way back home after picking up our food, the shit's fucking cold.
Hey man. Hey, in this video, man, I gotta use the bathroom. This right here, this food right here ain't no good for it, bro. It'll mess up my stomach.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
Bruh. Bruh, he's trying to leave me. Ow!
Oh,
Bro, he's trying to leave me by myself.
woo!
Like, what am I supposed to be talking about now? I guess it's me and y'all now, right? Bro, this happens all the time. Bro, I'm really mad about this food. It sucks being out here in the country where everything's so damn far. I can't even, there's no pizza delivery out here, okay? Come to my house, pizza delivery? Shoot, nah. Order and then go pick it up. A whole 20 minutes away, pick up. Who wanna drive that like that? Heck no. Like, I don't wanna cook all the time every day. Sometimes I just wanna buy something and eat it here. I cook every day, then have my house smelling like food. Plus it's hot outside. Don't nobody wanna, huh? Look at talking to himself. Let's go check on him. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Something about me, I have I can't drink juice right, especially just straight out the fridge, because I get brain freeze out of nothing, like anything. Bro, what the hell is wrong with you? You alright?
Hell no. Woo, boy.
I can smell you from out here.
Hey, I believe it too. My stomach messed up, man.
Damn.
Hey, you
You stink. No, I'm not recording.
Hey man, I'm hurting, man.
You hurting?
Yeah, man.
You always hurting. Every time you eat.
Try to do that damn MUKBANG for you, man. Told you I don't want to do that shit.
Yeah, I hear this. Yeah, so I can see. I'm wear his shirt. I wear his clothes all the time. Like,
Hey, who you talking to?
I'm talking to myself. Talking about you. I'm talking shit to you.
What you say?
that I'm always wearing your shirt. It's ridiculous.
Hey man, my stomach hurt, bro.
Y'all see this, y'all? We just wanted a simple ass butt, man. Buck bang, whatever the fuck you call that shit. My dog's out there. Might as well see him, right? Him right there. Come here. What's going on? Man? You alright? Come on, come on, come on, Ghost. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Paw. You talking to them? You see he giving me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw to mommy. Give me paw. Give me paw. Well, alright, y'all finna end this video because clearly this was a fucking mukbang gone wrong. Of course. Alright, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all need to give us some video ideas so we can do. But sometimes we just be like, bro, I don't even know what videos to do. Or like when it comes to prank, on the most random times, I'd rather have like already something back in my head instead of having to take days to think about it and to plan it out. So yeah, y'all give me ideas. If you have my, so if you know my social media, my Instagram, Snapchat, or whatever, I'll post it in the description below. Just message me and to give me some ideas. Stop biting me, because I'll be needing it. For now, we're at like 200 subscribers. Our goal for like the end of next month is 500 subscribers. Hopefully, you know, we're trying to post as many videos as possible. So once we get to our goal, then it's late. You know what I'm saying? Then work harder for the next month. So yeah, we're really trying to post more videos and stuff to entertain you guys a little bit more. It's kind of hard when you're like working and then you have to, you know, plan this out. It's like you got 2 jobs and then I gotta stay up editing. So yeah, it's a second job, all right. What the hell you want though? All right, yeah, well, we're gonna end this video. So make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, share this. We is out to here for sure. I said that like fucking 3 times. What the fuck?